Kirkland 0W-20 motor oil really saves your money, or is it 100% safe for your engine? That's the question behind Kirkland's signature 0W-20. It's sold by Costco, it's fully synthetic, and it carries some serious industry specifications. But here's the interesting part: why is it cheaper? If the oil really performs as well as expensive brands, why are people still paying more? Today, we're breaking down Kirkland 0W-20. We'll look at what Kirkland 0W-20 actually is, who makes it, what its certifications mean, and whether it's smart for your engine. So, what exactly is Kirkland 0W-20? Kirkland's signature is Costco's private label brand, and its 0W-20 is a 100% full synthetic motor oil. It's designed for gasoline flex fuel and gasoline electric hybrid vehicles that require SAE 0W-20, so this isn't simply random cheap oil. It has recognized industry specifications including API-SP and ILSA-CGF-6A. Costco also lists several manufacturer requirements for this particular 0W-20 product. Those include specific Ford and Chrysler specifications. Costco also says it's approved for GM gasoline engines requiring Dexos 1 Gen 3 0W-20. But there's one thing you absolutely need to understand before buying it. What does 0W-20 actually mean? Let's break that down. The 0W-20 on the bottle isn't the brand, it's the oil's viscosity grade describing how the oil behaves at different temperatures. The 0W describes how the oil behaves at low temperatures, while the 20 represents its viscosity grade at normal operating temperature. Compared with thicker oils like 5W-30, 0W-20 is a low viscosity oil. That can help modern engines reduce internal resistance and improve fuel economy. But here's the catch: thinner doesn't automatically mean better. Your engine was designed around a specific oil viscosity and specification from the manufacturer. So if your owner's manual says 5W-30, don't switch to 0W-20 simply because it might save fuel. Manufacturer recommendations come first. Now, why is Kirkland so cheap? Kirkland isn't trying to compete with premium brands by building a giant standalone oil company. It's Costco's private label product, and Costco sells huge quantities through its own retail network. That business model can help keep prices down. But there's another interesting piece of the puzzle. Costco's product listing identifies Highline Warren as the customer service contact for the product. Industry reporting identifies Highline Warren, formerly Warren Distribution, as the supplier behind Kirkland Motor Oil, so Costco isn't necessarily manufacturing the oil itself. And this leads to a much bigger question. If the oil comes from an established lubricant supplier, is the cheap price actually a sign of low quality? Not necessarily. Now let's talk about certifications, because this is where many motor oil videos become confusing. You might see several different specifications on the bottle. You might see API-SP, ILSA-CGF-6A, and Dexos 1 Gen 3. But what do those certifications actually tell you about the oil? API-SP is a modern gasoline engine oil performance category. ILSA-CGF-6A is another industry standard covering important performance requirements for gasoline engine oils. And Dexos 1 Gen 3 is GM's specification for certain gasoline engines. Kirkland's 0W-20 is listed with several of these important industry requirements. Costco lists the product as API-SP approved, ILSA-CGF-6A approved, and approved for GM gasoline engines requiring Dexos 1 Gen 3 0W-20. That matters because when choosing motor oil, the specification your engine requires is often more important than the logo printed on the bottle. But specifications still don't tell us everything, because now we need to ask the bigger question: how does this oil actually perform after thousands of miles? And this is where Kirkland gets interesting. There are independent oil analysis comparisons involving Kirkland and Mobil 1 that give us something useful to examine. For example, one published YouTube comparison used Blackstone Laboratory analysis after both oils had been used for a little over 6,000 miles. Both oils were tested in the same 2013 Lexus CT200H. The creator compared used oil results from Kirkland and Mobil 1 under similar conditions. And that video wasn't some tiny experiment nobody watched. It accumulated well over 100,000 views, showing strong interest in this comparison. That's important because people want to know one thing: can a much cheaper oil actually hold up against a more expensive premium brand? But here's where we need to be careful. One used oil analysis does not prove Kirkland is universally equal to Mobil 1. Oil performance depends on the engine, driving conditions, oil change interval, formulation, maintenance habits, and many other factors that can affect results. So we shouldn't take one test and conclude Kirkland is better than Mobil 1. That's simply not what the available evidence proves. Now let's compare Kirkland and Mobil 1. Does Mobil 1 automatically win because it's more expensive? No. And does Kirkland automatically win because it's cheaper? Also no. The smarter way to look at it is this: does the oil meet your engine's requirements, and does it provide the value you need? If your vehicle requires 0W-20 and the Kirkland bottle carries the specifications your engine requires, then Kirkland can be a legitimate option. You're not buying an oil that simply says cheap synthetic on the bottle. You're buying a full synthetic product with recognized industry specifications. But Mobil 1 and other premium oils can have different formulations, additive packages, product lines, and manufacturer claims that may provide different advantages. So the question isn't which logo is better. The better question is which oil meets my engine's requirements and and gives me the value and protection I need. So who should actually buy Kirkland 0W-20? If your owner's manual calls for SAE 0W-20 and the specifications match, it can make sense. It's especially interesting for people who change their own oil and want to reduce maintenance costs without automatically choosing the most expensive oil. But don't make this mistake. Never choose 0W-20 just because it's cheaper, or because someone on YouTube says it's better for every engine. If your manufacturer specifies another viscosity, follow the owner's manual. Your engine's required viscosity should always come before price or internet recommendations. And if your vehicle requires a particular manufacturer approval, make sure the exact bottle you're buying carries that approval before putting it into your engine. Because the right oil for a Toyota isn't necessarily the right oil for a Ford, GM, Honda, or another vehicle with different requirements. Now comes the verdict. Is Kirkland 0W-20 actually good? Based on the available information, there's no reason to dismiss it simply because it's Costco's private label product. It's 100% full synthetic, carries API-SP and ILSACGF6A, and the 0W-20 product is listed for specific manufacturer requirements. That includes GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 applications. Independent comparisons have also generated enough interest to make the Kirkland versus premium oil question worth investigating. But I wouldn't tell you our Kirkland is better than Mobil 1. The evidence doesn't justify such a broad statement about every engine and driving condition. Instead, here's the real conclusion. If your vehicle requires 0W-20 and Kirkland meets your required specifications, it can be a reasonable value-focused choice.